Hello dear friends, welcome back. I'm Elena Rugal and today I will show you how to crochet bow stitch pattern. This is double-sided pattern, so you can use it in any project. Also it can be perfect for a summer project, or you can change kind of yarn and use it in daily life. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 4 stitches. Please join me, don't forget to write comment below the video what you will get. And for this project you need to have some tools. Let's get started crocheting. For work you need steel crochet hook 1.4 millimeters and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. Let's crochet my pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. Pattern consists of 4 stitches. You should crochet the foundation chain multiples 4 plus 2 stitches for more beautiful look. Make a chain of 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on till you will get the ready foundation chain. My foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet row 1. It is going to be a row of complex stitches. Make a chain of 6 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over the hook 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I insert the hook into the 8th chain stitch away from the hook. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and insert the hook into the 8th. Make a complex stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2. I hold all loops with my finger, continue, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, 1, 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. And let's make the last stitch. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then yarn over, pull through first 4 loops on the hook, like this. Then pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, and 3 times. The bottom part of my stitch is ready. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the top of these stitches, insert the hook into the 4 stitches, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Then yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the same top, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Then make the last. I stop here and look. So my each half consists of 4 stitches. And my bow stitch is ready. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. So I will begin the second one. Yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, 1, 2. Then yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then make the third. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the next chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, and make the fourth one. Then yarn over, pull through first 4 loops on the hook. I have got 4 stitches. Then pull through 2 loops 3 times. Then you should crochet the upper part of my bow stitch by yourself, and so on. My bottom part is ready, so I continue crocheting. I like crochet the complex stitches. Make 3 more treble crochet, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 4. 2 bows are ready. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. I'm about to complete this row. Yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the last chain stitch and make triple treble crochet stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Row is ready. Let's crochet row 2. It is going to be a row of complex stitches. Let's crochet row 2. For this, make a chain of 6 to bring up the yarn, and I will repeat the complex stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the work. Now I am going to work with the half of the bow. Yarn over the hook 4 times. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then pull through 2 loops, then pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3 times. Then yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the top of my stitches, make treble crochet. My half is ready. Here how it looks. It looks like a letter. Then I show you how to crochet the whole bow stitch pattern. At the beginning and at the end of this row, I will crochet such stitch pattern. So I continue working on my row. Now yarn over the hook 4 times. Now I am working with 2 stitches from this bow and with these 2 from the next bow. Yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the next stitch. I did yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, 1, 2, then yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. And yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then yarn over, pull through first 4 loops, then pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3 times, and make 3 stitches more. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the top of the stitches, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times, then make the second treble crochet and the third one. In total it should be 4 of them. In total I have got 4 stitches in the each half. My first bow in the second row is ready. Then you should continue working on the bow stitch pattern by yourself till the end of this row. Then I show you how to finish such row together. Now I am about to complete row 2. After I have done all bows, now I show you how to crochet the half of the bow. Now I crochet the half of the bow. For this, yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice, pull through 2 loops, then pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the top of the stitches, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. The half is ready. Then make triple treble crochet stitch and make the last stitch into the chain stitch on the beginning of the previous row. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. My row 2 is done. Pattern consists of 2 rows. So here how my pattern looks like. This pattern can be perfect to create bookmark or accessories, tablecloths, blanket and others. You should repeat these 2 rows as many times as you need. It is very elastic pattern. At this point I will begin the second piece of my pattern. Then you should crochet by yourself. As you notice, this is double-sided pattern, so you can use both sides. Now I turn the work. Pattern consists of 2 rows and has 4 stitches. Make a chain of 6 to bring up the yarn. For my third row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I'm working with my bow. Yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Then make the second treble crochet knot finish, the third one, and the third one. Then pull through first 4 loops, pull through 2 loops 3 times. The first half is done. Then you should crochet 3 more treble crochet into the top of these 4, 2, 3, and 4. My bow is ready. I worked on the 3rd row of my pattern. Then you should crochet by yourself. So you should crochet as many times as you need. My swatch is ready. Here how it looks. It is very adorable pattern that can be perfect for any project, for summer clothes or accessories. Also, it can be perfect accessories for your book. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. For this pattern I used cotton yarn and 1.4 steel crochet hook. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Thanks for watching. Bye!